Hi, and welcome to From the Ground Up, practical wisdom from the Robertson Rottie Ranch. If you are new here, this series was created as a space to slow down and talk about the foundations that truly support a steady and resilient life. Season 1 is about building from the ground up, not through pressure or perfection, but through intention, rhythm, and care. In this series, we explore why foundations matter, food is nourishment, not stress, herbs is everyday support, the lessons animals teach us about trust and leadership, living in rhythm with the seasons, supporting resilience and the nervous system, preparedness rooted in skills, not fear. And each episode is designed to stand on its own, but together they form a complete foundation. This isn't about fixing yourself. It isn't about doing everything at once. And it isn't about chasing trends. It's about building a life that feels steady instead of rushed, one thoughtful choice at a time. You can start anywhere in the series or watch from the beginning. Take what resonates, leave what doesn't, and move at your own pace. This space is here to support learning, reflection, and grounded living, not overwhelm. Welcome to Season 1 of From the Ground Up, and I'm so glad you're here.